The unprecedented fiscal stimulus globally and the extremely accommodative monetary policies seem to have significantly lowered the economic impact of COVID, and the arrival of the vaccines indicate that perhaps the worst is over, at least for the time being. Equity markets globally have realized this and adjusted themselves, moving significantly higher from the lows of April 2020. Cryptocurrencies, metals, non-metals, oil prices have all been moving up, driven by the changing investor outlook, at least in the immediate short term. Economies are expected to bounce back in the calendar year 2021 and even maybe 2022. The magnitude of this growth and the speed will determine how much and when the fiscal stimulus will be rolled back, as inflation worries will start to scuttle growth again. Post the financial crisis in 2008 also, we had a liquidity and stimulus driven rally which lasted just under a year, and what followed was a period of correction and consolidation, and it was particularly severe for India as it culminated in a mini crisis in August of 2013. I'm pretty sure policymakers and investors are looking back at historical data and will act accordingly. On the economic front, the action seems to be starting now, and depending on the monsoons in 2021 and the severity of the second wave, growth will be strong for most part of the year. Vaccinations notwithstanding, the Indian population seems to be in no mood to go back to the caution exercised during the months of April-May 2020, and we would still watch the spread of the virus with caution. With stellar profit numbers and growth picking up, we are positive on the equity markets. And while the broader valuations are stretched, there are pockets where both growth and value exists, and this can lead to a more broad-based rally. For our detailed view on the markets, please get in touch with your RM at MK Wealth.